Hi, this is Kimberly again, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on the course that I decided to pay for, and which is the Bookkeeping Business Launch course, and I am currently paying 199 US for monthly for 12 months. And I'm going to show you from a beginner standpoint, from someone that's only basically finished 2 modules completely and in the process of completing another module, what I have gotten so far and what I also have gotten from the Facebook group. I will share all of that inside of my review. So here we go. Hi, so here we are in the Bookkeeping Business Launch um, course that I am giving the review on today, and I will let you know as much as I do so far in doing the course, and you will see the excitement of why I really wanted to share this with you, even although I have not completed it. Because as you can see, I have a few green bars, and all of these bars are not completed because they're not green. You'll see the little bits of the ones I have started, and you will understand later on why these are down here and why I went all the way down here, and why I skipped all these. Okay, so if you have ever watched any of the other YouTube reviews, you will have seen that they have 5 stars that they give you, that you get. So when you get these 5 stars, that means that you completed the course, the entire course, because that means you completed everything. I know that there is something else that will show up down here, some more stuff that will show up down here when I've actually completed um, the course. So once I have probably completed all of these ones that have the asterisk on them, then I will probably get that. But I will do another review when I have completed the course, so that you can see, and I have more information on that. So I'll tell you what I know. So when you do the final exam, you get the certificate of completion. I think this actually just comes up on its own, but I'm not sure because obviously I don't have it. There's a certificate. I have done my Pro Advisor certificate already, but I did not click it, and I did not um, say that I have it because I want to do the advanced one. Because in transactions, when I did transactions, there are some advanced things in here that I did not do in my actual Pro Advisor, that with taxes and stuff, that so therefore I want to do the advanced Pro Advisor so that I can really say, well, look, I did it. Well, that's just a personal thing for me. When you launch your business, you will go in here, and you would click how you have launched your business, which way you use, or you have your business name, and you have let me see if it lets you click more than one. Right, so I guess it makes you click more than one of them, and then you submit that as into what you did to launch your business, and you get that star. And then when you get your first client, you will see how you got your first client, and then you submit that and you get that star as well. So let's start with foundation. So in the foundation part of the course, Ben does this entire part. I love how he teaches. He really makes accounting, but he really makes bookkeeping really exciting and fun and funny sometimes. And I will give you an example how the course is, how you go through the course. So basically, when you first come in, you click on there, you click on start here, because in every module there is a whole list, and these only get ticked when you actually complete them. Um, I will show you how it knows that you have completed it. So each one of these is a video. So for example, I will go into welcome and orientation, and then you're going to see Ben show up here. So in all these videos, you get the transcript, you get the audio, and you get stuff to download sometimes, or some links to go to as well. And you can download those and just follow along with what teaching at the specific time. So also that comes along with this course, you always also get, I just want to go back so I can go into setup. After you finish Ben's section, you go into the setup part, and this is where you will meet Heidi. She's part of the student success team, and she helps you to set up this QuickBooks business in here, this fake business, so that she can go through all the exercises with you, because this is what you use to go through the course with the exercises. And how the exercises are set up is that you don't only just sit down and watch videos, but you sit down first, you watch Lane, and he will go through the video part with you. So he would actually he'll be there showing you what you do in so basically how you create a bill, and example, how you create a bill and stuff in QuickBooks, and he will go through all that part with you. And then when he's completed every single part of that particular section, let me just go in here so I can explain it a lot better. So for example, cash receipts. So for cash receipts, when I click on cash receipts and accounts receivable, and I had to go through all of these. So when I had completed all these, as you can see, they have the training. All these are videos that you watch Lane do them, and then you have the exercises, and then all these exercises, you get to basically do every single thing that you watched. What I do is that I will pause, because he is so informative, he is so detailed, that I would pause Heidi when she's starting to show you, to go through the exercise with you. I will pause her, and I will do what I have learned from watching Lane, and then I will play her to make sure that I have done it correctly. And then at the end of each one, you have a quiz that you have to complete as well. So it's really like, it's not just you just sitting down to watch videos and then you think that you know, and then you don't know. You actually have to do actions as well. So how the course, and now let me explain how I got from doing here to doing all down here. How the course is set up, we actually get a 90-day study guide. And this study guide, I will just go through what I've done so far to give you an example. You can probably hear me turning the pages here. Right, so I have to start out at the foundations unit. I have to do all of those, and each one that you've completed, there's a bar like this, but it doesn't have a picture. It's an empty bar, and you just give a tick to say you completed it. And so then after the foundations, I had to go to hacks and facts unit, and in here you watch Ben do a round table with different bookkeepers that have gone through the course and are successful, and what they're saying as into what they should have done better, how they feel now about talking to clients, how they market, and they go through all that stuff. And that was so informative, and it was really nice to see that although these people are so advanced, they still have the fears that we have as beginners, um, trying to become a bookkeeper. So that was very, very good. That alone made me feel like, wow, I was like literally like freaking out at the knowledge um, that I got from in here. And then after that, I had to go up to the setup, and that is when I set up the sample company. And when you set up that sample company, along with setting up that sample company, you also get a free QuickBooks. Well, it's only free for a year, QuickBooks Plus. So basically, I have between 3 months to complete doing all the exercises for that sample company, so that I can delete every single thing. Because if I do it after 3 months, it wouldn't let me. It will keep all the information that I've inputted so far, and obviously I want to. So kind of for me, it gives you the motivation to want to complete the course within this 3 months, so that I can actually have my free um, QuickBooks Plus, QuickBooks Online Plus, so that I can set up my own business in there. So you get that. And then another thing as well, I actually have notes actually wrote down. So the other thing is the coaching calls. So we get coaching calls every week. We get about two of them every week, and then one of them, and the actually two actual calls for two actual coaching calls, and then there's another, the third call that we get is the one that we ask questions, and then Heidi will answer. Um, and that because she does the questions and answer section of the coaching calls, and she will answer. And the thing is, you also get to listen in on people, because in the coaching call, so you get to ask Ben questions as well, and he will answer a few questions at the end of it. But then majority of the questions gets then also answered in the question and answer that you will see here, and they're all recorded. They're all recorded, so you can go in here. As you see, these don't have bars because these aren't anything to complete. Um, so when so let me go in here so I can show you, right? So basically we have the these ones here, like for March. These are all the questions and answers for January to March, and those are for December last year. So as you can see, these ones are still in there. I mean, you're finished, you click mark complete, and then that will have a green button that will show up. And then also, finally, before I complete this review, we also have a wonderful Facebook family group. I have paid for courses online before. I have been in private Facebook groups before that you've paid to be in. And then the person that owns the course is hardly ever in there. No, I must say, even with when it comes to this course, Ben now, he is in there. He actually, I remember one time when I was going through the foundations, and I was literally at my desk laughing. He gave some joke and about something he was trying to explain, and he made it so much fun, and I was here laughing. That I actually wrote in the Facebook group that, Ben is so funny. I'm actually totally enjoying going through this foundation course, foundation session. He actually has me laughing really loud here. And he actually was the first person to reply, and he said, well, you can't make everything so serious, and he's glad that I'm enjoying the course. Then I had another frustration. I will go into detail with this frustration in another review. Which will be a review on QuickBooks though. So I was completing my QuickBooks Pro Advisor. I gotten the certificate and everything, and I had a frustration because I found out something, and I went into the group because it was the only place that I think that people will understand. Because obviously, um, the everyone in here have done business, do have their business, building their business, and probably went through the same things that I've gone through or similar. And I wrote in my frustration, and I'm telling you, within an hour I had two replies, and by the time they were finished, calming me down and talking, and giving me like their advice, and like basically, don't worry about it, and to show you like that just a little small loss or whatever, it made me felt really good, and I was ready to like go on to the next one. you know. So the Facebook group is really there for you, and you get to read a lot of people, you get to cheer a lot of people on. I find Ben is very he has the group set up so nicely that only people that are in these groups are people to motivate you, to help you get to the next level of your business. And that's the type of group and the type of people that you want in your life when you are building a business. Now, that is coming from beginner, which is me. I did the LinkedIn because I was asking, another question I had asked in the group is, how do you find out? I think it was something about marketing or something like that. And then someone guided me here as well. No, I heard about LinkedIn in the Facebook, not in the coaching call. I heard about LinkedIn. And then and then when it was talking about pricing and stuff like that, because it tells you all of that in the course. There's so much I have to learn in here. There's so much I have to go through, but this is just my beginner's review on this course, and I really hope that I have explained everything properly so that you can understand what I have gotten so far. And you know, it comes with a brilliant student success team, which is basically your customer service. So they actually answer all your questions. So to actually do this review, I asked for permission to do the review because I didn't want to come on here and, you know, show something I wasn't supposed to show or whatever. And they just responded to me and told me, "Hey, thank you for wanting to advertise our course, and here's a form and fill it out so that we can provide you with an affiliate link." And I was like, "What? I wasn't even looking for that, you know." So that was totally, completely amazing. Anyhow, that's it for the review, and I will see you on the outside of this video.
Okay, so as you can see, all as you can see what I just showed you in my review, and the amount of value that I am getting for the amount of money that I am paying, it is well worth it. Ben was the first person when I was looking up to start my own bookkeeping business. When the idea came to me that that's what I really want to do for the rest of my life, and I decided to go online, do some research, and I found the free videos that I have linked below. And the way how he taught, the way how he went through those videos, it made me, he captured me. And I watched a lot of people on YouTube, on different platforms that have courses, and have gone look at their courses. But the thing is, there was something about Ben that made me said to myself, that is the course. I remember I told a friend of mine, I said, you know what, I really want to do this course. I am definitely going to save up, because back then it was $26.97 US, which is 5,300 Barbados and something dollars Barbados, but $5,300 Barbados. And I was planning on saving that money. And the day that I got an email saying $199 monthly, I was like, oh my god, I can't pay that, like, it's so much. But at the same time, it was like, I'm going to find the money to pay for it, and everything is going to work out. The universe does all these things. When you ask for it, you have to believe that you can get it. So with all that said, just go click that link below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, and to see the videos, but those are to just see the free videos, and you can get to see what I am talking about. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and like and subscribe to my channel. And also, you can ask me any questions in the comment section below on any questions that you have about my review, anything that you would like to see when I do the actual completed review, because I will do a review when I complete the entire course and I receive my certificates. I will do another review then as well. And if you want me to explain something a bit more that I wasn't fully transparent about, you can ask me that as well in the comments, and I will reply to you. Okay, have a good day. Bye.